subscribe with notifications on.
I decided, I left Pretoria. I came to Cape Town to hustle. I understand most of you will say, these Nigerians, when they come to South Africa, they sell drugs, they do this and this. Guys, not all Nigerians sell drugs. Don't be perceived by looking at this just one Nigerian selling drugs, or two, or out of maybe 50% of Nigerians, you have maybe 30% of them selling drugs. You start hating them and you're thinking all of them are the same. 20% of them, they are the best. They are able to do something for themselves. Why can't you guys start something for yourselves? Because almost started selling cabbage, tomato, onions, tomato, they are going to laugh at me. If they see me selling tomatoes, they are going to laugh at me. What? Hey, listen to me. Don't care about whoever is going to say anything about you. You came in this world alone. Do you know why a child, when a child is born, cries? You know why? And when the child is born, is holding the hands like this, as if he or she want to fight. God is a sign. God is telling the child, my daughter, or my son, go out there. It's hard. It's difficult. It will be tough for you out there. But be strong. Hold on. That's why you see the hands are like this for the child. Hold on. You guys don't want to hold on. You want to sit at home and you want to drink for the whole week. Yeah, come on, what's wrong with our South African guys? We've got most South African guys who are successful out there. Why can't you learn from them? Why can't you learn from these guys, South African guys? I mean, even if you have to ask and say, how did you manage to be where you are? Buti saman, buta puto man. You understand? Buta puti sa what you call le motor buta are. You understand? Oscar no maybe motor jealousy whatsoever and so forth, because it will never help you. At the end of the day, you are just creating hate, and the more you hate you have, is the more suffering you will enjoy in your life. You understand? Now, I was born in Pretoria, right? I was born in Pretoria. When I grew up in Pretoria and all those type of things, I left school standard 7. Standard 7. I decided, let me just go and do a computer course. I went to do a computer course for about 2 months. It was a 6-month course. I couldn't finish because I didn't have money to continue paying. And no one took me to the computer school. No. I went to do piece jobs in order for me to pay for myself for those classes and stuff like that. I learned to do how to work on the computer and all those type of things. Understand? I have learned to live like a foreigner in my own country. I will repeat this again. I have learned to live like a foreigner in my own country. Why? Because I've learned from these foreigners. These foreigners are hardworking. Most of South African women who are even lazy to go look for a job. You find that one girl has got 5 boyfriends. 5 boyfriends. One boyfriend, there is this thing called girlfriend allowance. Guys, let me tell you something. If you're a lady, you are earning more than 10,000 rand a month, and you're not working, you must know you are nothing but a professional prostitute, because that's called professional prostitution. About someone that is sitting on the street, that person. Hold on a second, guys. Please hold for me. Sorry guys. My guys are playing music. That's right. Alright, so I'm making noise. So, if you are a lady who earns plus minus 15,000, 10,000, 5,000 per month without the job, you must know you are a professional prostitute. Because someone that is sitting on the street doing prostitution, that person, or more, you can see that person or thinking, wait again, kill a prostitute. But when you are doing this professionally, you are doing this on a hidden identity. Guys, let me just say this to you. South African women, wake up. Even if it means for you to start a business, small business out there, do it. Stop the thing of relying on men. You understand? That's why you see, most of you run to these foreign nationals, they put on the charity. Let me tell you something. Some of these guys, foreign nationals, are not a bank. They don't have bank accounts. Are you getting my point? They don't have bank accounts. And what's happening is that, most of the time is the fact that when you see them, you think they've got money because of they stash 5,000 rand, 2,000 rand that they make on a daily basis under the mattress. Excuse me. And I really think they've got money. Understand? While our South African guys are working, they put their money at the bank. You understand? Now you think they are better? Of course. Now, through my experience, let me just say this to you. Foreigners, you will never see them running away from their kids. Foreigners, you will never see them running away, leaving their children behind, or not supporting the children, or whatsoever. If they've got kids, they make sure they support them on a daily basis. The kids are going to school, are doing everything in their lives for them. But while our South African guys, we run away from our responsibilities. But our children are sitting out there without no fathers, nothing. The women are suffering along with those kids. Now, when you are called these guys queres, and they are the ones supporting your kids, you are calling them gambas, all such of names. Guys, let me just say this to you. Let us learn to live, with one another. Let us build one another. Let us stop being jealous. Let me just say something. Now, I have traveled a lot, guys. I've done my traveling since 2012. When I stopped working, I decided, I want to start something for myself. I want to start something for myself. I want to start a small business. I want to live like a foreigner in my own country. I don't want to rely on this government thing. I don't want to rely on them giving me a grant or whatsoever. I built my house. You understand? I built my house. Sorry guys, I'm coming. Right. Understand? I built my house. Right. As you can see, I'm not sure. Maybe I should just take it so I can show you. Right. This is my house, guys. This is my house. 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 I built this house without the help of anybody. You see, that's my office. That's my office where I work. That's my son's room. It's the stairs going downstairs, right? It's the stairs going downstairs, right? Downstairs. The stairs going downstairs. And this is the toilet for my kids. That's my daughter's room. That's my daughter's room also. This is a small prayer room where we pray and so forth. Understand? So, it's not like we are rich. Understand? Let me just put it nicely so I can see. I just want to make sure that I'm seated nicely so you guys can see me nicely as I'm talking to you. Alright. So, yeah. So, these type of things that we're talking about, guys, is very important. You understand? You need to wake up. Stand up for yourself. Am I not too high? Yeah. Stand up for yourself. You understand? Now I'm a South African. I decided, let me just do this for myself. No one pushed me. I never decided, I'm going to go to the government, you must do this for me, you must do this for me. Even my cars, I bought it cash. You understand? As a foreigner. bought cash. No, sorry. So as a South African, not as a foreigner. As a South African, I bought